Kellanova, founders of Cheez-Its, they should. I hope when they take it out in Mars, they call it the Cheez-Its division. It's trading at a 20 multiple forward. Is it 20 multiple the new value? I mean, are we that messed up fundamentally that when you look at market dynamics, we're parsing 20 as a cheap stock?
Well, look, I think everything's relative, right? You know, and you buy what's scarce. So when you have the S&P trading 20 times, then that kind of becomes your baseline if you're, trying to analyze stuff. I think most investors, if they were looking historically, would say 20 is not cheap, but it's a relative story, right?
Is Apple scarce?
Is Apple scarce? I don't know if that's a very good question. What's interesting for Apple, you didn't ask this question, but there's a lot of really interesting positioning dynamics related to that Warren Buffett sale.
Discuss.
So basically, when Warren Buffett sold that stock, he became less than a 5% owner. What that does is it increases the freely traded Apple stock, and it means the S&P is going to have to add a ton of Apple on the rebalance in September. Okay. So I do. I mean, Apple is a scarce stock in the sense that they have, a really interesting new product. It's a large cap growth stock that is sort of impervious to U.S. economic growth. So I think it's scarce in that way, and I think Apple, frankly, for the next month is a very interesting stock. You've got an iPhone event, you've got this rebalancing story, and you've got Mag 7 stocks that are frankly, just facing a little bit of a litmus test as we go into the end of the summer.
I mean, to me, the iPhone event is the fact that I'm actually going to upgrade for the first time in like a decade. I got the iPhone.
I said even Sweeney's.
I'm upgrading.
I'm with you. Dan Ives is saying this.
Exactly right. So that's the event for the marketplace.